Make up to $3,000 a month. Welcome, this is your boy Mr. X. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $3,000 a month with affiliate marketing with completely free traffic method. Just upload free PDFs and you will start making money. So before we're gonna start this video, make sure consider subscribing this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's get started the video. So first of all, I'm gonna show you one thing. You guys can see right now I am in Google Trends and you guys can see blood sugar. I simply type blood sugar, and worldwide in past 12 months you guys can see there is a really big demand and a lot of people are searching for blood sugar. Might be these guys are sick, but these guys are searching for blood sugar from last from past 12 months, and there's a really big demand. And for example, I'm going with like United States or United Kingdom. And again, you guys can see in United States, again, there is a really big demand and a lot of people are searching for blood sugar. And in the past 12 months, we go with like past 5 years. And you guys can see again, this is a consistent demand and a lot of people are searching for blood sugar. Might be these guys are sick, that's why these guys are searching for blood sugar, but there is a really big demand and this is consistent demand from last 5 years, and a lot of people are searching. So there's a really big demand, and what we're gonna do, we find a demand. Now we're gonna simply supply, right? So what we're gonna do, simply go to CLICKBANK.com. So right now in CLICKBANK, simply I'm in marketplace, simply click microfine glass and scroll down, and you guys can see these are the #1 products right now in CLICKBANK. And scroll all the way down, I find it a product related to blood sugar in CLICKBANK. So there you go, a new blood sugar supplement. So again, this is like 105% gravity. It means there is a really good gravity and a lot of people are promoting, but there is not a lot of competition in this product. So that's why you have a really good opportunity to like promote and make money. And you guys can see this offer gives you like average $150 if you sell this one, and this offer converts really well. That's why this offer is #1 page in CLICKBANK. So #1 page is a really big thing in CLICKBANK. Okay, so that's why simply first of all, let's see the sales page. And you guys can see there is no sales video, there is only text related sales page. And if you scroll down, and there's a really good sales page. That's why these guys are getting sales, a lot of sales. And there are again 3 packages. Now it's completely on the customer which package customer select, but you guys can also getting commissions on all of these packages. Scroll down, so there's not a, and these guys are also providing them free ebooks. So this is a sales page, and this sales page converts. That's why this product is #1 page in CLICKBANK right now. So what we're gonna do is simply click promote, get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. So we get our affiliate link. What is our next step is we go to this site, is called idplr.com. I'm gonna give you a link in the description. This is a completely free site again, so make sure simply register your account, free account. Once you register, you guys just simply search. For example, we are promoting like sugar offer, like sugar or blood sugar. You guys just simply type anything related to blood sugar or sugar. So you guys can see we simply type sugar and scroll down, and you guys can find a lot of ebooks in here, and these are completely free ebooks. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So make sure first of all find an ebook. So there you go, we find an ebook like sugar is the new enemy. So simply we're going to click this. You guys can find a lot of ebooks related to sugar. So I find this one, simply click download. So you guys see this page and simply click download. It will take a few seconds. After a few seconds, this ebook will be downloaded in your PC. So right now you guys can see our ebook is downloaded successfully. So what is our next step? So next step is we go to this site, is called sajida.com. I'm gonna again give you a link in the description. Again, free, completely free website. So what we're gonna do, we just simply upload our ebook on this platform first of all. So I'm gonna upload in a second, then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so right now you guys can see we uploaded our ebook in here, and if you upload your ebook or PDF in here, your ebook will look like this, and now you guys are able to edit your ebook. So what we're gonna do is simply click on text first of all, and simply click here, and we're gonna type, for example, click here to leave blood sugar. Okay, So in the center this looks good, and click here, leave blood sugar, and again in the brackets we call it formula, and you guys just simply add this headline in every page of your ebook, simply like this, and click here and in the middle, and this is our call to action. If anybody reads, this man or this customer will see that call to action. And what we're gonna do with this call to action, make sure add in all your ebook pages. I'm gonna add in a second, but you guys can see this link option. Click this and simply do something like this, and in here we just simply add our affiliate link. So simply add your affiliate link here and simply click enter. Okay, so your link is embedded in this call to action. Scroll down, and again I'm gonna do this same thing again, and simply add your affiliate link here and simply click enter. So I'm gonna add my call to action on all these ebook pages, then I'm gonna show you okay what we're gonna do next. So this is the last page of our ebook, and we added a call to action on every page of our ebook. So this is the last page. Again, we just simply add the last call to action in this and simply add our affiliate link. Simply click enter. So once you added all call to action in your ebook, so what we're gonna do is simply click apply changes. And right now you guys can see our ebook is ready to go. You guys, if you want to change the name, so go with it, but right now I'm not gonna change the name. Simply click download, and our ebook is downloaded successfully. So what is our next step? How we gonna make money? So this is a main point which I'm gonna show you in this video. So the next step is we go to this site, is called pdfslide.com. So what this site does is, like, millions of visitors every single month came to this website, and what they did, they just simply get completely free ebooks. And this website have like millions of ebooks, and like millions of visitors came to this site and getting free ebook. And I'm going to show you one thing. For example, we type blood sugar, and you guys can see a lot of people are promoting blood sugar related ebooks. So a lot of people are promoted, you guys can see. So for example, if I click any of this, scroll down, so this is an ebook which a vendor provide, and we are also providing like this. If you scroll down, you guys can see this is a title, and you guys are able to download. You guys can see views, 225 views, 6 downloads this ebook gets, and a lot of people are visiting on these pages every single day. And what is second way? So first is, you guys must be upload your ebook in this platform every single day. The same ebook you guys just upload every single day. Second is, you guys go to like slideshares.net. This is completely this is a very similar site to like PDF slide. These both are very similar. You guys just simply upload the same ebook in this site, and also you guys can see this website is also getting like 1.6 million views on this ebook, and almost 7 million views on this ebook, like 2.1 million views on in this ebook. And how you guys can upload? You guys just simply click upload, and right now you guys can see click this and upload from your PC. The PDF slides and slideshare.net, these are very similar, and the same procedure to upload your ebooks. Okay, so simply click this and upload from your computer and add title, add a PDF or ebook title. Okay, so these are the two methods. Like, millions of visitors came to this website every single month and downloading a lot of ebooks. Okay, so these are two methods. So number 3 method is, you guys go to like facebook.com and simply type blood sugar. So I tested that method, and simply go to groups, and I joined few groups. So for example, what are we gonna do? Go to these groups and simply engage with these groups. So you guys can also simply comment these guys, and you guys just simply create a post like, for example, a free blood sugar ebook, and simply add your ebook link. And in this way, you guys can easily make over $150 every single day, because you guys only need one sale and you guys are getting traffic from 3 sites like PDF slides, SlideShare, and also from facebook.com. so in this way you guys can easily get one sale and you guys can also making like more than $100 every single day. With this method you guys can make up to $100 a day and make up to $3,000 a month. But the main thing in this method, you guys must be consistent with this method for 10 to 15 days and make sure you guys must upload PDFs every single day on those websites, and you will start making money. And if you want to make money fast and you want to make up to $10,000 to $12,000 plus per month, then you guys watch this video.